The article titled, "Are Dogs Left or Right-Handed? What the Science Says," from The Conversation discusses the concept of handedness, or paw preference in dogs. It was once assumed that handedness was unique to humans. But studies suggest that it may be a fundamental feature of all mammals. Various tests have been developed to determine whether dogs display any evidence of preferred paw use. These tests include tasks such as stabilizing a toy, reaching for a food treat placed inside a container, or removing an object from the animal's body. Other indicators include recording the first step taken to walk downstairs, or the paw given to a person upon request. The findings from these studies differ, but a recent meta-analysis concluded that overall, dogs are more likely to be paw preferent than ambilateral, what we call ambidextrous when talking about humans, or to display no favored paw. However, unlike in humans, paw preference appears to be roughly evenly split in dogs. Handedness in dogs is therefore specific to the individual, rather than the population. Several studies point to strong sex differences in canine paw preference. Female dogs are more likely to be right-pawed, while males are more inclined to be left-pawed. This sex difference has been unearthed in other non-human species, including the domestic cat. The article also discusses the link between paw preference and animal welfare. Paw preferences can give us an insight into the emotions an animal is feeling. A dog that uses its left paw to undertake a task, for example, might be experiencing more negative emotions than the individual that employs its right paw. Studies have recently unearthed a relationship between paw preference and emotional reactivity in dogs. Dogs with weaker paw preferences have been shown to react more strongly to the recorded sounds of thunderstorms and fireworks than animals with stronger paw preferences. There is also evidence of a link between canine paw preferences and personality, with ambilateral dogs scoring higher for traits of aggression and fearfulness than animals with strong paw preferences. Assessing paw preferences may also serve to identify vulnerable individuals in stressful situations. For example, left-pawed dogs have been found to display greater signs of stress in rescue kennels than right-pawed animals. However, it would be foolhardy to rely only on paw preference testing as a measure of animal welfare risk. It has the potential to be a useful tool, particularly if considered alongside other welfare tests or employed in conjunction with other measures of asymmetry, such as tail wagging, sniffing behavior and hair direction.